Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to talk about difference between Kali Linux and Parrot OS. So let's get started the video. Kali Linux and Parrot OS are two popular operating systems, especially in the world of cybersecurity. Their difference is here. Kali Linux, it's like a toolbox for hacker. It's all about finding weaknesses in computer system, network or software to make them more secure. Kali is mainly for people who want to test and improve security. Parrot OS, on the other hand, it's like a Swiss Army knife for computer user. It's not just about hacking, it's also about privacy, development, and everyday tasks. Parrot is for people who want a secure and versatile system. Kali Linux used by cybersecurity professionals, hackers, and people who work in computer security. It's for those who want to dive deep into hacking techniques and security testing. Parrot OS, on the other hand, used by a wide range of people. It's for anyone interested in security, privacy, or just cool Linux system. Developer, privacy enthusiastic, and regular user all find something useful in Parrot. Kali Linux packed with tool for hacking and testing. It has everything from password cracker and network scanner to forensic analysis tools. If you need to break into a system legally, of course, Kali has the tool. Parrot OS, on the other hand, it also has security tools, but it's more balanced. You will find privacy tools for anonymous browsing, cryptography tools for securing communication, and even programming languages and apps for everyday use. Kali Linux it looks straightforward and functional. The default desktop environment is GNOME, which is clean and easy to use. Kali focuses more on what you can do rather than how pretty it looks. Parrot OS, on the other hand, you can choose from different desktop environment like MAT, Math, KDE Plasma, or LXQT. This means you can customize Parrot to look and feel just the way you like it. Kali Linux has a big community of cybersecurity professionals and enthusiasts. You will find lot of tutorials, forums, and documentation to help you out. If you get stuck, there is always someone who can need a hand. Parrot OS, on the other hand, also has a supportive community, though maybe not as big as Kali's. Still, you will find plenty of help if you need it, whether it's spam guides or chatting with other users. You would not be alone. In short, Kali Linux is like specialized toolkit for security experts and hackers, while Parrot OS is more like an all-in-one system for anyone who wants a secure and versatile Linux experience. Both have their strength, so depend upon you. You can use Kali Linux and Parrot OS. So That's all in this video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and also press the bell icon button. Thanks for watching the video.